Good afternoon everyone. Some student of 8th standard commented to solve this problem related to chapter number 2nd exponent. Now let's start problem number first. Student, this is a question first part number 4. 1 by 16 raised to the power minus 3 by 4. We already explained all the rules of this chapter. So today we only solve this problem. 1 by 16 raised to the power minus 3 by 4. First we convert 16 into some numbers power to 4. Then we write it 1 by 16. 16 equal to 2 raised to the power 4. Then in place of 16 we write 2 raised to the power 4 and raised to the power minus 3 by 4. Okay student? Next 1 by 2 raised to the power to power, then according to power law power multiply 4 multiply minus 3 by 4. Okay student, 4 to 4 cancel, then this equal to 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3, and we can change it into positive power, then by taking reciprocal of it, then 2 raised to the power 3. This equal to 2 raised to the power 3. This is our first question, and also we write 2 raised to the power 3 equal to 8. Okay, then first question part number 10. 5 raised to the power 3 multiply 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2. Student, this is divide. First we solve bracket, after that division. So we can write this 5 raised to the power 3 as it is, multiply 5 raised to the power 7 as it is, and divided by, first we solve bracket, and according to power law power should be multiply 4 multiply 2 then 8. Okay, next first we solve division. 5 raised to the power 3 multiply as it is, and we can write this 5 raised to the power 7 divided by 5 raised to the power 8. Okay student, then next 5 raised to the power 3 as it is, multiplication as it is, and according to quotient law power should be subtracted, then we can write 5 raised to the power 7 minus 8. Okay, again 5 raised to the power 3 multiply 5 raised to the power minus again student we solve this by product law. A raised to the power m multiply b a raised to the raised to the power minus, then power should be added. If base are equal, then power should be added. If a raised to the power m multiply a raised to the power n, then this equal to m plus n. Same as it is, we write it 5 raised to the power 3 plus minus n. Okay, 5 raised to the power 3 minus 1, and this equal to 5 raised to the power 2 and equal to 25. This is the question number first part number 10. Okay student, first we use power law, then we use quotient law, again we use product law. Okay, then question number first part number 12. 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 2 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by minus 6 raised to the power 3. Student, 3 is different, all base are different. First we write it 3 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power minus 2, 5 raised to the power minus 2, and divided by minus 1 raised to the power 3. If minus 1 raised to the power m, and m is odd, then this equal to minus 1. So if power is odd, then we take a minus 1. Again, in place of 6 we write 2 multiply 3 raised to the power 3. Okay student, then next 3 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power minus 2, 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by minus 1 as it is, we can write it 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 3. Okay student, 2 and 2 base are same, 3 and 3 base are same, then we use quotient law. First in 3 raised to the power 4, then minus 3. According to this and this, divided by quotient law apply 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3. Again multiply 2 raised to the power minus 2 and 2 raised to the power 3. Then according to quotient law, minus 3 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 2 and divided by minus 1. Okay student. Then next 3 raised to the power 4 minus 3 1 multiply 2 raised to the power minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 multiply 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by minus 1. We can write this minus in front of complete minus 1, then 3 as it is and divided by 3 raised to the power minus 5, then we can write this in positive power, then 2 raised to the power of 5. Same 5 raised to the power minus 2, then we can write this 5 raised to the power 2. Okay student. Then this equal to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5, 32. Then 32 multiply 5 raised to the power 25. We solve 8. This is our question number 12. Okay. Next question number first, part number 15. 16 raised to the power minus 1 by 4 plus 0.8 raised to the power 0 plus 32 raised to the power 2 by 5 plus 8 raised to the power 1 by 3. Student, first we write 16. 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 and minus 1 by 4 plus any number raised to the power 0, then that number equal to 1. Then in place of this we write 1 plus 32. 32 is 2 raised to the power 5 and complete 2 by 5 plus 8 2 raised to the power 3 and raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay. Then according to power law, power should be multiplied minus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 2 by 5 plus 2 raised to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3. 4 to 4 cancel, then 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1 plus 5 to 5 cancel, 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 to 3 cancel, then 2 raised to the power 1. Okay. Then 2 raised to the power minus 1, 1 by 2 raised to the power 1 plus, and we can write it only 1 by 2. Then plus 1 plus 4 plus 2. Okay student. Then 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 2 6 plus 7 by 1 we take LCM 2 and 1, then LCM is 2, then 1 plus 14 and this equal to 15 by 2. This is our answer of question number 15. Okay, next we take other question. Question number 3rd, part number 2nd. Student, base are same, then according to product law 3 raised to the power 5 minus 4 minus 2 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power 2, then 2 raised to the power 4 multiply 3 raised to the power 2 plus we change in positive power, then 2 by 3 plus 3 raised to the power minus 1, then we can write 1 by 3 raised to the power 1 and this equal to 1 by 3 plus 3 to 3 power to power cancel, then 3 raised to the power minus 1, then we can write this 1 by 3. 3 raised to the power 1 3 minus 2 raised to the power 4 16, 3 raised to the power 2 9 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay. Then 3 minus 69 is 144 plus we take LCM 3, then 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. 3 minus 144 minus 141 plus 4 by 3. Again we take LCM 3, then we multiply this, then this equal to minus 423 plus 4, and minus 423 plus 4 equal to minus 419 by 3. Okay, this is our question. The next question number 4. Question number 4. 1 by 81 raised to the power 1 by 4, then we write it 1 by 3 raised to the power 4 and raised to the power 1 by 4. Okay. Minus 27 3 raised to the power 4, 64 4 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3 and 4 raised to the power 3 and complete raised to the power 1 by 3. divided by 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 and raised to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 and raised to the power minus 3 by 4. Okay. Then according to power law, 1 by 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 1 by 4, 4 to 4 cancel, then 1 by 3 minus 3 raised to the power, we can write 3 by 4, complete power 3 and minus 1 by 3 cancel, then 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 1, this equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Divided by 1 by power to power multiply, then we multiply 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 multiply minus 2 by 3 cancel, then 2 raised to the power minus 2, 2 raised to the power minus 2, we write it minus 2. Okay. Again plus 1 by 2 raised to the power 4 minus 3 by 4, 4 cancel, then plus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3. Okay. Again we write 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2, we write it 2 raised to the power 2 and this equal to 4. Again plus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3, this equal to 2 raised to the power 3. Again 1 by 3 minus, first we solve and divide, 4 by 3, in place of division we write multiply and we can write it 1 by 4 plus 2 raised to the power 3, 4 to 4 cancel, then 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3, this equal to 0 plus 2 raised to the power 3 and this equal to 2 raised to the power 3. This is our answer. Okay. Next we take last question. Then our last question, 4 multiply 16 raised to the power n plus 1 minus 16 multiply 4 raised to the power 2n, 4 multiply 4 raised to the power 2n plus 3 minus 16 raised to the power n plus 1. Student, we can write 4 in power of 2. Yeah, you write in power of 4, no problem. First 4 as it is, multiply 16 to 4 raised to the power 2 and raised to the power n plus 1. Okay. Minus 16 4 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 2n. Okay student. Divided by same 4 multiply 4 raised to the power 2n plus 3 minus 16 4 raised to the power 2 and n plus 1. Every number in 4. Every term in number of 4. Then base are same, then power should be added. First 4 raised to the power 1 multiply according to power law, this equal to 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2 minus 4 2 and 4 2n divided by 4 multiply 4 2n plus 3 minus 4 raised to the power 2n plus 2. Okay student. Then next base are same, then power should be added. 4 raised to the power 2n plus 2 plus 1 3, 2n plus 1 plus 2, 4 raised to the power 2 plus 2n, then 4 raised to the power 2n plus 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 minus 4 raised to the power 2n plus 2. Okay student. Then this equal to 4 raised to the power 2n plus 3, 2n plus 3 minus 4 2n plus 2, we write it 2n plus 2, no problem. Then 4 2n plus 4, 4 raised to the power 2n plus 4 minus 4 raised to the power 2n plus 2. Okay. Now student, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 4, 2n plus 3. Minimum power 2n plus 2. Then we take common in numerator and denominator 2n plus 2 common. First in numerator, then we take common 2n plus 2. 4 raised to the power 2n plus 2 common. Then there is 2n plus 2 common, then only 4 raised to the power 1 left. 4 raised to the power 1 minus complete common, then there is only 1 divided by same as it is in denominator take common 2n plus 2, then 2n plus 2 common, then there is 2 power left, 4 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 2 minus complete common, then there is only 1. This is a cancel out. Okay, and this equal to 4 raised to the power 1 4, 4 minus 1 3, and 4 is raised to the power 2, 4 square 16 minus 1, and this equal to 3 by 15, and this equal to 1 by 5. Then our question is complete and answer is 1 by 5. Okay, these are our problem. I hope you understand it. Okay student, thank you.